You want to know, how do I know if I should quit my job? I'm going to ask you a few things, and if any of these make sense to you, then this is how you know if you should quit your job. How is your mental space? Obviously, we have to sacrifice mental health a lot of times when we're working just to put food on the table. But if your job is really, ruining your mind, your mental space, you really don't feel like this job is for you, that's one thing you should think about. How is your health? Are you neglecting your health? Is it ruining your health? Are you not unable to get into the right position mentally and physically? Just because you're exhausted, you don't get to work out. I've been there. I've done it. I've done manufacturing. I've done long hours. I've done a lot of different jobs. And as I got older, it was ruining both of these things. How is your money? Most of the time, if you're thinking about quitting your job, you're not making that much money. And if you are making a lot of money, you must have a job that is really ruining you. What are your goals? Do you have anything else in mind? I knew I wanted to do online businesses. I knew I wanted to go in business. So that was always in my mind all my years of working. What do you want to do with your schedule? And this goes again with the last thing. What do you even want to do? Do you have something in mind? What I would start doing is implementing it. If you want to be a business person, if you want to do online businesses, if you want to do any form of creation or any skills that you've always had, start implementing them now and at least start having the traffic roll into your business. What I do every day is I help people, even if it's not their passion, start businesses online and utilize softwares, etc. For example, right here is a personal development app where you see I'm writing stuff in here. For my video, I can do my goals. I can make sure I'm doing everything I need to do every single day. And it's actually attached to a coaching program that helps business owners or new people start businesses online, build websites, start making money so they can quit their jobs. So that's what I do. That's what one of my passions always was, because it's great money and I'm working from home. And literally I can work from anywhere I want to work from. So I can start getting my schedule back. So when I hit that income goal that I want to hit and I can actually relax, now my schedule is even more loose. So ask yourself, you want to have an action step that can get you to this success in a nice amount of time, whether it's 90 days, a year or so, because your mental health and your health is everything. Without those, nothing else really matters. So this is how you know if you should quit your job.